Hey guys, welcome back to Crafts with Gerard. So now in this video, I'm doing a collab with Moon Queen of Night. We're doing the paperclip challenge. So I cut some of this part off. So now we have our first one where they're trading the ruffled top hat for the billowing cape and the sparkly tutu. Kind of not too expensive, but it's a paperclip challenge, so why would I not accept that? Okay, now we're gonna do the next person. So the paperclip challenge is basically where you take whatever the last person gave you and give it to the next person, and until you get something you like or you want. So I'm going for the superhero mask. Okay, I had the Dear Dolly bow already, but it's a paperclip challenge, so it doesn't matter. So here I'm just gonna be skimming through, and showing you each and every thing. Okay, so our next one, we have a Quiet Reaper. Oh, she's adding. I think this one was not that worth it. Let's see what happens. So even if it's a paperclip challenge, you still need to give stuff that it's worth it, or else that's not good. So this is worth 13k. Hers is worth probably 8k. Oh, okay. She's adding. She added a lot. I think now it'll be worth it. Yeah, that's roughly worth it. So yeah, this collab was supposed to be posted yesterday, however we faced some technical difficulties, so we are posting it today. So yeah, we're gonna accept and move on to the next person. Okay. I think that's worth it. Pretty worth it. Oh, to be honest, yeah. Now it's worth it. I got my hat back. I don't even know why I didn't want that hat. Now I want the hat back. I don't know. Let's see. Let's find a person. Hey. Let's look. Okay. Finding someone. Some trading server, it's either that everyone is disabled trading or declining to trade, or everyone is in a trade. So this server is pretty good in my mind. Okay. So if you guys didn't know, I've been chopping every trade that I did in half, so that you guys don't have to be there for the whole time while I'm trading. So the video is a lot quicker. So yeah, this is a Cloud and Moon Queen of Night. So in the you'll find her video right now. So let's see what she trades. Not putting anything in. Oh, also, during this process, some of the things I might have kept because I really liked it. For example, the Cottage Princess I wanted to keep to go along with the new set, but it really doesn't work with the new set. So if you're planning to use the Cottage Princess for the new set, don't do it. Okay, so I lost a lot of footage. However, my end product was this. Even though I was going for the superhero mask, I still got this. It's pretty good in my mind. I really like it. It's pretty, and it's pretty expensive. I went from 4k to 13k. I checked the shop. It was 13k. Yeah, see, I'm checking the shop. 13k, but the person said it was 8k. So sadly, I couldn't get the footage of that. I'm pretty sure the trade after the last one I did, I got that. Really good offer in my mind. And So yeah, I'm just gonna be like looking around. So that's the end of the video. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, wait, this is not the end of the video because I'm adding this new thing called Screenie of the Day, where I show one of your Screenies with me at the end of the day. So, who's today's Screenie? And now I present the Screenie of the day. Who will it be? Ta-da!